Hello, my name is Baylie Triplett, and I am in the University 101 Class Section 10C. And today I'm going to talk to you about my project proposal for the 5K Run and Walk that the University of Charleston is hosting in April 2018. For my project, as a class, we will set up a booth at the 5K Run and Walk, and we will accept donations for the Ronald McDonald House. My goal as a class is to raise $500 for the families that are living there because of their sick family members living in the hospital. The Ronald McDonald House is a nonprofit organization and relies on support from the community and projects like this to be able to thrive. So as this project that we are doing, it will help the families and the Ronald McDonald House fulfill and be able to help the families who are living there. For this project, the LLOs of the university are involved. The first LLO to be involved is citizenship. Our class will execute citizenship through this project by having compassion for the families living in the Ronald McDonald House and the sick children in the hospital. The next LLO is communication. Our class can put our proposal on social media and let the local newspaper know about our project for the day of the 5K run. We could also make flyers. We could have a committee of people in our class to make like a Facebook page explaining what we're doing, what day, what time, and all that good stuff. Creativity. Some of my classmates could design an eye-catching flyer, or we could also have a group of people make posters. We will also need a group of people who will decorate the booth in general. And we will also need a group of people maybe to decorate a donation box too for this. The next LLO is critical thinking. I had to brainstorm about what project I wanted to propose for this project, and I'm so compassionate about the families living in the Ronald McDonald House. It's just very sad to me that they have to live there, but it's also a good thing that the Ronald McDonald House is there for those families to live there while their sick family members are in the hospital, so they're close to them. My project plan. To start off, on January 26th of 2018, we will designate groups of individuals in our class to do certain tasks related to my proposal. One group will be in charge of advertising, which that would be the group who would put it on Facebook, contact the local newspapers, make flyers, and just get us out there what we're doing in the 5K run walk. One group will be in charge of planning how to decorate the booth that day, so those two groups will have to talk to each other. A group of two will be the heads of the project, kind of like the producers of the project. We need to have those two people to run it, and they will oversee what each group does and make sure that they're getting everything planned and on time. And the final group will be in charge of the donation amount and who donates what, and what we get donations from who. So we can send thank you letters after they donate if they're different organizations or different people. We could put like a poster up at school saying thank you for donating to the Ronald McDonald House. Next, by February 16th, each group needs to have a plan about how they will execute their assigned duty. The certain groups may need to work outside of class if they need to, which they probably will, just so everyone can work together and get their project done. By March 2nd, the class will meet, and every group will have to finalize their decisions about what they will do and let the professor and the heads of the committee know what they are doing so we can finalize a plan. Last, during the first week of April, the class will act on the project and set everything up during the run. This is when everything will come together. The people will have all the flyers done. We will have executed everything correctly. We will have gotten it out to the media, all that stuff. The resources needed for this project is we will have to borrow tables and chairs and a canopy tent from the university so we can have our own booth. Like, we'll have to have people sitting there taking money, helping, and then other people can stand around and just try to make people come and check out our booth and see what we're doing. As a class, we will also have to get poster board, markers, a donation drop box, and the supplies to make flyers. A few problems with this project could be some students could drop out or transfer to other colleges, causing the process to be more work for the other students who continued at the University of Charleston. This is very hard because a lot of people will decide that they do not want to stay at the university next semester, and it could be more work for the other people in the class. The second problem is if the groups in our class do not do their assigned projects correctly, then the project will not be executed correctly, and we will not get the project done, and it will not be good. Lastly, if the weather's bad and class gets canceled, we could get set back in our project by a few days, but I feel that if everyone does their assigned job, assigned duty, everything will get finished correctly and everything, it will work out smoothly. The resources used for this project was http support.ronaldmcdonaldhouse.org. This website is where you can donate to the Ronald McDonald House, and it tells you a little bit about the organization. And it tells you a little bit about what they do, so I thought that would be a good resource to show people. And to sum it up, my project is for our class to have a booth at the 5K run and walk to accept donations for the Ronald McDonald House. Thank you.